morning, everybody. I am Abhiraj Mishra and I am your host for today's school news. So, these are the headlines. Our school conducted the Eklavya examination, which was a significant exam both for students and teachers. St. Amar Japuria School, Goel campus, celebrated an early Christmas on 22nd December, and the Santa was a surprise for students. On Veer Bal Divas, students of St. Amar Japuria School, Goel campus, showcased their bravery through a captivating act on 26 December. St. Amar Japuria School, Goel campus offers free extra classes to help class 10 students to excel their boards and score good marks and boost their confidence. Thank you.
नमामि अहं दीपांशु JSGC बुलेटिनतः भवतां समक्षं सेट् अमार् जपुर्या गोयल कैंपस वार्ता प्रस्तुतं करोमि। वार्तापत्रम् 1 डिसेम्बर् मासस्य षड्विंशदिनाङ्के सेट् अमार् जपुर्या विद्यालये एकलव्यपरीक्षायाः आयोजने स्वयं सहयोगं दत्तवती। वार्तापत्रं 2 डिसेम्बर् मासस्य द्वाविंशदिनाङ्के जपुर्या परिवारः क्रिस्मस् दिवसस्य आयोजनं कृतवान्, यत्र सेता आगत्य छात्रेभ्यः चाकलेह दत्तवतः। चाकलेह प्राप्य छात्राः आश्चर्यचकिताः अभवन्। वार्तापत्रं 3 डिसेम्बर् मासस्य षड्विंशदिनाङ्के वीरबालदिवसस्य आयोजनम् अभवत्। अस्मिन् अवसरे गुरुगोविन्दसिंहस्य चतुर्णां पुत्राणां विषये नाटकस्य प्रदर्शनं जातं। तत् नाटकं हृदयादकम् आसीत्। वार्तापत्रं 4 यथाव्य जानामि यत् बोर्ड परीक्षा शीघ्रमेव आगन्तव्या अस्ति। सेट् अमार् जपुर्या विद्यालयेन छात्राणां सहायार्थं निःशुल्कः कक्षाणाम् अनुसरणं क्रियते। एतासु कक्षासु छात्राणां प्रोत्साहनोपरि तथा च परीक्षाविषयोऽपि ध्यानं दास्यते। धन्यवादः।
Good morning everyone. Aishna of class 9 is presenting you some national news headlines. First, UP is set to establish India's first AI city in Lucknow. Second, Ram Mandir's consecration ceremony is set to be live telecasted at New York's Times Square on 22 January. Third, PM Modi dedicated development projects worth over 20,000 crores in Tamil Nadu and inaugurated the Trichy Airport Terminal. Fourth, PM Modi lauded the Indian Navy and Marcos for rescuing 21 crew members from a high-tech ship in the Arabian Sea. Fifth, Maldives minister received flack for their vulgar and racist comments on India and PM Modi after his Lakshadweep visit. Sixth, Delhi Women's Panel Chief Swati Maliwal nominated to Rajya Sabha by AAP. Seventh, North India shivers as the cold wave tightens late and fog reduces visibility in Delhi. Eighth, the tourist rush caused chaos in Himachal Pradesh as 28,000 vehicles crossed the Atal tunnel in a day to reach Manali, Lahore and Spiti. Thank you.
नमामि अहम् आराध्या GSGC ग्लोबल बुलेटिनतः भवतां समक्षं राष्ट्रीयवार्ता प्रस्तुत करोमि। पर्यटकानाम् आन्दोलनेन हिमाचलप्रदेशे अराजकता उत्पन्ना यथा एकस्मिन् दिने 28,000 वाहनानि अटल सुरङ्गं पारं कृत्वा मनाली, लहुवार, स्पीति च प्राप्तवन्तः। यूपी लखनऊ नगरे भारतस्य प्रथमं AI नगरं स्थापयितुं निश्चितम् अस्ति। राममन्दिरस्य अभिषेकसमारोहः जनवरी मासे न्यूयार्क् टाइम्स् स्क्वायर इत्यत्र लाइव प्रसारणं कर्तुं निश्चितम् अस्ति। मालदीवस्य मन्त्री लक्षद्वीप यात्रायाः अनन्तरं भारतस्य PM मोदी च विश्वे अश्लील जातिवादी टिप्पणीनां कृते फ्लाकं प्राप्तवान्। PM मोदी इत्येन तमिलनाडुदेशे 20,000 कोटिभ्यः अधिकमूल्यानां विकासपरियोजनानां सम्पर्णं कृत्वा त्रिची विमानस्थानकस्य टर्मिनलस्य उद्घाटनं कृतम्। उत्तरभारतं कम्पते यथा शीततरङ्गे पकडा कठिना भवति। दिल्लीनगरे कोहरा दृश्यतां न्यूनीकरोति। अरबसागरे अपतस्य जहाजस्य 21 न्यूनीकरोति। अरबसागरे अपतस्य जहाजस्य 21 चालकदलस्य सदस्यान् उद्धारयितुं PM मोदी भारतीय नौसेनायाः मार्गस्य च प्रशंसाम् अकरोत्। धन्यवाद।
Good morning everyone, I'm Sunny Singh of class 9 presenting you some current international news headlines. Government multinational bank co-offers don't have trillions of dollars, World Bank chief Ajay Banga. Maldives President Mohamed Muziu urged China to send more tourists after backlash from India. 2023 has hottest year on the record, critical 1.5 CR limited nearly breached EU climate monitors. South Korea Parliament passes bill banning dog meat play. United fines loose bolts on several 737 MAX planes, raising pressure on Boeing. Spain consider national-wide hospital mask rule as flu COVID its year. Global corporation declining after Reliance through 2012 to 2020. WEF study. Pakistan attacks court rules against lifelong disqualification of lawmakers from holding public office. Bangladesh Shaheed Hasina wins re-election after polls without opposition. Pakistan arrests nearly 2 dozen of members of outlawed Pakistani Taliban linked to multiple attacks. Tsunami threats from Japan quake has barely passed, informs US agency. US sinks 3 ships, killed 10 after Houthi Red Sea attack. Google agrees to settle $5 billion lawsuit over a Yokito move. Amid sowing ties with India, Maldives president likely to visit China. Would have signed form dual down defender Josh Shankar. Southend United captain Nathan Ralph and midfielder Jack Bridge have signed new contract to run until the summer of 2025. Fullback Jason Demetrio, also a member of the club's coaching team, has deal as a player to the end of the season. Southend United have re-signed striker Henry Standard on a month's loan from Frisco. Trump's lawyer was sharply questioned during an appeal court hearing over claims President cannot be prosecuted for official acts. Israel is facing genocide case in international court. Could it halt the war in Gaza? A US couple bought 400 years old Italian tower on an handshake. France Beckenbauer Resolution Soccer, bringing glamour and glory to the Vacuum and Germany. Coco Gauff enjoys strong start to season ahead of Australian Open, wins Auckland Classic title. Astronomers offer an explosive origin theory of giant odd radio circle in space. Putin Vladimir says Russia will intensively attack on Ukraine. North and South Korea brace for tsunami after Japan quake. JSPL tie up with RIND to secure supply of liquid steel to upcoming Anglo plant. Angola quits OPEC over oil production quotas disagreement. Blackstone Inc. will take a majority stake in a payment service provider under Sony Group for about $280 million. CCI Competition Commission
नमामि अहं मंत्री JSDC भवतां समक्षं राष्ट्रियवार्ता प्रस्तुत करोमि। एक सिमन याचना न्यायालय मध्ये त्रम्पस्य अधिकव्यक्त्या सा कठोरा पृष्ठा पृष्टि जाता यत् अधिकारिककृत्य कारणे राष्ट्रपते उपरि अभियोगः न स्यात् इति। इस्राएल अंतर्राष्ट्रीय न्यायालय नरसंहार विषये चर्चा करोति किम् अनेन गाजा मध्ये युद्धम् अवरोधनं भविष्यति। अमेरिकायाम् एकेन युगलेन हस्तमेलनसमये एव चतुर्शत पुरातन इटालियन टावर इति कृत खगोलवेतारः अन्तरिक्षे बृहत् विश्व रेडियो सर्कलः इत्यस्य कृते विस्फोटके तापतित सिद्धान्तनं प्रस्तुवन्ति। पुतिन व्लादिमीर इत्यस्य कथनं यत् रूसदेशेन यूक्रेन इत्यस्य उपरि भीषणम् आघातं करिष्यति। जापान यस्य सुनामे कृते दक्षिण कोरिया उत्तर कोरिया च इत्यतो सुसज्जितो स्तः। JSPL इत्यनेन आगामी